Recording in progress.
Hey everyone, I'm Chris, one of your Builder experts, and today I'm going to talk about classes in CSS. Classes help you define reusable styles for HTML elements. For example, on my screen, two text elements are in the center of the page. Since these look a bit boring, I will go into VS Code and make them look more attractive. Most people would target the paragraph element, but that means that every single paragraph element will look the same, and we don't want that. That's why we're going to use this pretty class that I created that changes the font to sans serif and the font size to 2rem, making it bigger. So we'll go ahead and make that change to the first text element here. We'll save, and there you go. Now you see the changes have been applied. And we can do the same thing for this second line of text. And it's as simple as that. Now, you'll notice that if we add another paragraph, we'll say, hello world. This will not have any type of styling because the classes made that styling independent of what's global. Now you have a basic understanding of classes. I will show you how to use these concepts in Bildr. Here we have two buttons that we may want to use for our project. Now they have the same base styling. As you can see, they both have the primary button class. But what if I want to have a variation of the button that has a different background color? That is where our utility style classes come in, or as we would know them in CSS, a combo class. So we'll click Apply Utility Classes, create a new utility class. I will say background blue. And it is important that you have something simple and easy to read as your class names. Otherwise, when other people go into your project, they may not know what each class does. So I'm going to go to the background properties and I'm going to change the background color to a nice dark blue. Just like that. So that's basically all there is to it. We have our primary class that sets how the button should look by default, and our utility class, which modifies the styling of the button. And these utility classes can be used in more than one element. So if I wanted to have, let's say, in this, I can insert a new child element really quickly. I'll give another div. And I'll do some inline styling here. All right, and I will apply the utility class. There you go. That background has changed to that blue that we created. Hopefully, you can see how powerful classes are and how you can use them effectively for your projects. Thank you for your time. And if you have any questions, feel free to join the Bildr community Discord. The community and the Bildr team are always happy to help. I'll catch you all later. Bye.
Recording stopped.